Hello, children. How are you all? Hope you all are fine. I am your Cecilia teacher. Back to school. Today we are going to learn subject of English. Yes. So in English today we are going to write 3-letter words. Okay, children. Today we are going to write 3-letter words. You know which family is that? That is I and in family words. Okay. I and in family words we are going to write today. That is I sounds I, N sounds N, I and in. Okay. I and in. So, children, please be ready with your E1 book and pencil, eraser and book. Okay, children? Let's start writing 3-letter words that is from I and in family. Yes, children? There are some pictures also. Please look into the screen and write it carefully. Okay, children? Come on. Teacher is showing you now. Here comes the clip. Children, please take out your fresh page. Okay, open your E1 book and take out your fresh page and write today's date here. Okay, write today's date. See that the date should not go outside the margin. Okay, on the very first line write C.W. That is capital cursive C and W. Capital cursive W. Okay, so now first word, leave one finger space gap next to the margin and write the word I and N. I sounds I, N sounds N. I and N. Below that, again leave one finger space gap and write B, I, N, bin. B sounds B, I, N, in. B, I, N, bin. Leave two finger space gap and draw picture of bin. Two standing line and one U to attach both the standing lines, and again one sleeping line and one curve and one small circle on the top. That is BIN, bin. Next word is PIN, pin. P sounds PIN, in. PIN, pin. Leave two finger space gap and draw picture of pin. Here is this. One dot and one line, slanting line. Next word is TIN, tin. T sounds T, IN, in. TIN, tin. There is no picture for tin. The last word is W, WIN, win. W sounds W, IN, in. WIN, in. Okay. So IN, in. BIN, bin. PIN, pin. Next is TIN, tin. Next WIN, win. Okay. Children, I hope you have written it very neatly and clearly. Yes, that is 3-letter I and in family words with the date and classwork at the top. That is heading. Yes, let's revise once. the words. Okay. I N in. Okay, children. I N in. I sounds I. N sounds N. I N in. So there are the words. That is B-I-N bin. B sounds B. I-N in. B-I-N bin. Okay. Leave 2 finger space gap and there is a picture of bin. You can see in the video and practice to draw the picture of bin. Okay, children. So next word is pin. P sounds P. I-N in. P-I-N pin. Okay, leave 2 finger space gap. Again there is a picture of pin. You can refer to the video. Again the next word is T-I-N tin. T sounds T. I-N in. T-I-N tin. T sounds T. I-N in. T-I-N tin. Again the last word is W-I-N win. That is W sounds W. I-N in. W-I-N win. Okay, children. Please practice these words at home with the picture. Okay. So we'll see you in our next class. Till then, take care. Bye bye from Cecilia teacher.